that?
Your mom's a hoe.
I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
What is this?
Gosh, don't.
Yay! Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Sorry. Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. Because I couldn't find the other one.
Why is it spicy?
Oh gosh. Okay.
Hi guys, I apologize. I am slightly sick, so my voice sounds pretty crazy right now, but bear with me. This isn't really a tutorial, kind of a tutorial, but not really. I'm just showing you guys how I slay my sister's hair. You know, she came in town to visit me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do your hair. And if I'm doing your hair, I might as well film it. You know, content is content. But yeah, so she got the jumbo boohoo / coil braids, but it ended up being not coil because it's longer than I anticipated, but my sister likes longer hair anyway, so it worked out in the end. But this is what I'm going for. I believed I only filmed the jumbo feed-in part. I didn't film the little boohoo part, which is adding the curly pieces. But if you don't know how to do feed-in jumbos, this is the perfect video for you. So what you see me doing is, you know, braiding and adding in hair. I think I added in about 6 to 8 pieces for each braid. And then some of the boohoo braids, I did every other braid with the little curly pieces. So the braid before this one has curly pieces, this one does not. And then I braided it a majority of the way down until it had about 4 or 5 inches left at the bottom. And then I would put a rubber band to secure it. But yeah. So thanks for watching this short little video. This is just me clowning around with my sister mainly. This is not a tutorial, but I'm gonna still post it. And look how cute she is. You know what I'm saying? I slayed it. She's cute. Don't mind the little curls at the end. Some of them didn't really take like I wanted it to, but it's fine. It's fine. She's my sister. It's fine. She still thought it was cute. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. I did such a good job. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.